How do you cure blossom end rot on tomatoes? You seem to get a lot of tomato questions, toward the end of the season, huh?
Right.
Blossom end rot. And we all know that's what calcium deficiency.
Calcium deficiency. Be careful with blossom end rot that you don't treat the symptoms rather than the problem itself. And that is a calcium deficiency. And it may be possible that you have an adequate, enough calcium in the soil, and if you have dry conditions, really dry conditions, sometimes the plant is unable to take calcium up, and you can have some blossom end rot. So
because calcium moves real slow in the plant.
It moves very slowly in the plant. So for that reason, during dry conditions, irrigate, water your tomatoes if you can. And but make sure you soil test, make sure your pH is right, and you've got your calcium levels are up where they need to be. Right. And you shouldn't have any problem. I mean, you can buy products called Stop Rot that are calcium chloride and all that, but if you do that, you're basically treating the symptom of the problem, and it's probably going to give you very little relief because it moves so slowly. Calcium moves so slowly within the plant.
And something else I like to add to that too, mulch, because it helps regulate soil moisture.
Right. Yeah. And it can conserve soil moisture. Right.
Yeah. So I would do that.
Mulch those tomatoes. That's right.
Standard question you get toward the end of the season. So it's like always tomato
blossom
questions.
Blossom end rot.
Blossom end rot. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.